one and all present here, respected Principal Ma'am, dear teachers and all the students. Today, we are gathered here for the pre-celebration of the birth anniversary of the great legend who is remembered throughout the nation for his outstanding leadership during the Battle of Saraighat in 1677, which was fought on the banks of the mighty Brahmaputra river against the Mughal, resulting in the victory of the Ahoms. Lachit Borphukan, who was born on November 24, 1622, was Mumai Tamole Borbora's youngest child. Lachit inherited the supreme sense of responsibility and dedication from his father. Swargadhya Sarkardhar Sinha, soon after becoming the king, appointed Lachit as the commander-in-chief and the Borphukan. He favored guerrilla tactics, giving his smaller but capable forces an advantage which was highly effective to overpower the Mughal fleet. The Battle of Saraighat marked a turning point in the Mughal-Ahom conflict, safeguarding Assam from the Mughal exploitation. Lachit Borphukan's strategic brilliance and unwavering courage cemented his legacy as one of the India's most reserved military commanders. He had serious health problems during the conflict, but still decided to support and aid his army. A fearless warrior, statesman, and valiant son of our motherland, Lachit Borphukan became an icon for the people of Assam. He passed away from illness after a year on 25th April 1672. The Lachit Borphukan's gold medal is awarded to the best cadet from the National Defence Academy. It was instituted in 1999 to inspire defence personnel to emulate Borphukan's heroism and sacrifices. Today, the nation is commemorating the Assamese folk hero Lachit Borphukan on his 402nd birth anniversary, who epitomized unparalleled courage and placed the well-being of the people above everything else and was a visionary leader. Now, we have our Eco Champs who is going to perform a dance drama on the life of Lachit Borphukan. Thank you.